Are you ready for a wild ride into the world of the most thrilling tech toys? Or are you looking for some of the most innovative gadgets the market has to offer? Today, we're unveiling gadgets that will not only capture your imagination, but also redefine the meaning of adventure. Imagine a truck toy so powerful it tears through rugged terrains with ease, kicks up water like it's defying gravity, and leaves a trail of smoke that adds a dash of drama to every turn. This isn't your average toy. It's a beast built for action, designed to conquer any obstacle in its path. From roaring across sand dunes to splashing through puddles, this gadget is engineered for those who crave excitement and aren't afraid to get a little muddy. Stick with us, because by the end of this video, we'll reveal the ultimate game changer in the world of RC vehicles. Let's dive in. Unleash the thrill of speed and adventure with the Zest 4 Toyz remote control car, a thrilling gadget that combines speed, durability, and a unique mist spraying effect, making it an exciting toy for both kids and adults. This 1/16th scale monster truck offers a realistic driving experience with its two-wheel drive system, allowing it to move forward, backward, and turn left or right with ease. Built with a sturdy alloy frame, this RC car is designed to withstand crashes and rough play, ensuring long-lasting fun. The anti-collision structure and high-quality materials make it highly durable, perfect for outdoor adventures. Powered by a 3.6-volt rechargeable battery, with the remote requiring two AA batteries, this car is ready for action after just a 60-minute charge. Ideal as a gift for birthdays or holidays, the Zest 4 Toyz remote control car is more than just a toy. It's an interactive experience that promotes hand-eye coordination and intellectual development. Whether navigating tough terrains or showing off its mist spray, this RC car is sure to impress. Elevate your workspace and comfort with the Dyazo adjustable aluminum laptop stand, a sleek, ergonomic tool designed to enhance your workspace by promoting better posture and reducing strain during long work hours. This stand is universally compatible with a wide range of devices, supporting laptops and tablets from 10 to 15.6 inches, including popular models like MacBooks, ThinkPads, and Chromebooks. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry in your backpack or briefcase, ensuring you can maintain an ergonomic workspace wherever you go. In addition to its portability, the Dyazo stand is engineered with non-slip silicone mats to keep your device securely in place, preventing scratches and ensuring stable use. By elevating your laptop, it also helps keep your device cooler, potentially extending its battery life and the longevity of its internal components. Upgrade your device experience with the ELV mobile phone mount tabletop holder. This device is a sleek and portable stand designed to enhance your smartphone or tablet experience. With its shining black metal finish, this stand adds a touch of style to any workspace while offering universal compatibility for most devices, including those with cases. This stand is perfect for a variety of activities such as watching movies, reading, or making video calls. It provides versatile viewing angles, allowing you to find the most comfortable position for your device. The moderate height ensures that your device remains at an optimal level for easy viewing while still allowing for convenient charging. To protect your device, the ELV stand is equipped with rubber grips that prevent scratches and keep your device securely in place. The stand's design maintains a low center of gravity, offering stability during use. Experience unbreakable connectivity with the Boat Rugged V3 micro USB cable, designed for durability with its tough polyethylene braided jacket built to withstand over 10,000 bends. This robust cable is compatible with most Android devices, tablets, and other micro USB gadgets, ensuring reliable performance without any connectivity issues. It offers a rapid 2.4 amps charging speed and supports fast data transfer at up to 480 megabits per second, making it ideal for both charging and syncing your devices efficiently. The 1.5 meter length provides convenient reach, perfect for use at home, the office, or on the go. In addition to its rugged build, the cable features a tangle-free design and comes in various colors like ivy green and pearl white. Backed by a 2-year warranty, the Boat Rugged V3 is a reliable and long-lasting solution for all your charging needs. Looking for a durable and reliable charging solution? The Boat Rugged Phi 3 micro USB cable with its tough braided design and rapid charging capability is just one of the must-have gadgets we've featured. Stay tuned for more incredible tech that can elevate your daily routine. Introducing the Wolf 01 handgun, a unique addition to U-Gear's collection of mechanical models. This isn't just a simple wooden toy. It's a fully functional mechanical handgun capable of firing up to 5 rubber bands per round. Designed for safe and peaceful fun, the Wolf 01 has a sleek and ergonomic design, making it comfortable to hold and aim. The Wolf 01 is easy to assemble, making it a perfect family activity. In just one evening, you can build this model and enjoy a fun-filled shooting match with your loved ones. The gun also features a secret compartment in the handle for storing extra rubber bands or a small item, and it comes with a safety lock to prevent accidental firing. Crafted from high-quality natural wood, the Wolf 01 is not just a toy, but an educational tool as well. It encourages hands-on learning in STEM fields, helping to develop engineering skills, logical reasoning, and fine motor skills. Whether for a detective game or target practice, this model promises engaging, safe fun for all ages. Meet the XGO-Rider by Luwu Intelligence, the world's first AI-powered desktop wheel-legged robot, combining agility and advanced features in a compact design. Powered by the Raspberry Pi CM 4-core module, it offers gesture recognition, face detection, and human skeleton recognition, enabling smooth interaction through its 5-megapixel camera, dual MEMS microphones, and ChatGPT integration. Its unique wheel-legged design allows for omnidirectional movement, making it highly adaptable to various terrains. Equipped with FOC brushless motors, high-quality servos, and an inertial measurement unit or IMU, the XGO-Rider ensures precise and stable motion, making it both a fun and functional desktop companion. XGO-Rider stands out as an affordable, versatile option for those looking to explore robotics and AI. Whether used as a fun desktop companion or a tool for coding education, it promises an engaging experience for users of all levels. Introducing the waterproof dual-arc plasma lighter, a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts. This innovative lighter is built to perform in any weather, featuring IP56 rated waterproofing and windproof plasma technology. With just a push of a button, it generates a reliable, flameless arc that can light candles, cigarettes, or campfires, making it perfect for camping, survival, and outdoor activities. Equipped with a built-in LED cob lamp offering 3 modes, high, low, and strobe, this lighter doubles as a handy flashlight for low-light situations. Its rechargeable battery, powered via a Type-C port, eliminates the need for gas or butane, offering a clean and convenient solution that's both eco-friendly and cost-effective. Are you excited for the device we featured at the beginning? Well, get ready for thrilling adventures with the Monster Truck rock climbing car toy, an exciting RC vehicle designed for both indoor and outdoor adventures. Powered by an electric brushed motor, this robust truck delivers impressive driving power, making it perfect for navigating flat fields, sand, and small hills. This remote-controlled car features spray lights and a unique smoke water sprayer, adding a dramatic effect as it speeds along. Built with high-quality, crash-resistant plastic, the truck is durable and designed to withstand rough play. It offers forward and backward movement, left and right turns, and a 2-wheel drive system. With its rugged Hummer-style design, this monster truck is perfect for kids who love action-packed fun. Its water-resistant components and large tires that splash through puddles make it an ideal gift for birthdays or Christmas, offering endless excitement for young adventurers. Hey everyone, thanks for sticking around for this video. If you found this helpful or entertaining, subscribing to the channel is a fantastic way to stay in the loop. I'm constantly creating new content, and I'd love for you to be a part of the community. Are you looking for a device that makes stripping kernels from fresh corn on the cob quick and easy? That and other exciting devices are coming your way, so make sure to stay tuned in our next video where we'll feature these amazing gadgets that will keep the fun going.